I think you'll be fine. Anyway, hello everyone. We are here with Mr. Yeah. We have a lot of stuff to do today. Mainly just building PC stuff, you know? And this guy is in charge of the B-roll, so
there goes my stabilization.
any kind of B-roll you see, right, that is like crap and stuff, yeah, just you know. Anyway, so yeah, so that's exactly what we're doing. We're going to do a little bit of makeshift of my PC kind of layout. So we're going to move the table there once this one is done so that I can put it on the desk. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. All right, let's roll the B-roll. What you doing? The master at work.
Apparent master at work.
Let's go. Whoa, look at that. Found a new method of doing this, alright? This is the proper way of doing things, so we're gonna do it from this side.
Yes. Okay. Then you pull it out. Whoa!
Like magic. Can you help me out?
Yeah, sure.
And we have laptop. This guy's still doing his B-roll. Awesome stuff, right? So you can see Pro Series Z6, awesome camera. Thank you for your professionalism. Okay, so yeah, we're going to install the processor, RAM, SSD, and then we're going to do the cooler, and yeah, we're going to move on from there. Alright, I love this cooler so much. Visit the QR code, yeah, okay. I got it. Yeah, some bracket stuff. Alright, the awesome fans, you know, 2 of them. Then we have the cooler itself, the pump and the radiator. I think we'll do the radiator later. Alright, next up, we are installing the nice cooler. Okay, so we have been doing this for quite some time. We have been removing this and a lot of this over and over because we can't figure out exactly what all these cables are supposed to do. And yes, manuals after manuals, we sort of figured it out a bit. So we're almost there, you know. Just need to put in the power supply and then I think we're pretty much done.
Oh my god, it's huge.
I know, right?
It's like...
Alright, next update. We have done the back. As you can see, it's very pretty. Cable management, not the best, but you know, we did our job. Leave some space here and there, you know. Very awesome. Okay, time to put back the shell and then, yeah, then we're gonna peel some stickers. Yep, that's not smooth enough. Don't laugh. I think this one is trapped inside.